So the next thing I am going to be doing is the Auscultation method by checking a heart rate. So I'm going to take my stethoscope and I'm basically going to go through her heartbeat on the left of her sternum, and then I'm going to count it for 30 seconds on how many beats I hear, and then I'm going to multiply it by 2 so I can get beats per minute. So I'm going to begin. I'm going to find it. And I'm going to begin the timer. So I counted 31. So I'm going to multiply that by 2. And then I am going to get 62 beats per minute.